Wow. Aftermath. Bricks everywhere. Holy shit. The whole second, third floor is gone. Is that your parents' condo?
Yeah.
That's gone. I smell gas.
Yeah, I do too.
I smell gas.
Oh, fucking shit. Fucking third floor.
The whole third floor is gone up there. Look at that building over there. The whole furniture corner is gone. Oh, man. Seeing bricks that stuck around the sidewalk.
Where?
Oh, back there, there's missing bricks in the sidewalk.
Dude, right fucking over us.
Look at this. Samuel.
Oh, fuck.
Look at that. The whole roof's gone, Dean. The whole entire roof is gone. The whole entire roof of that building is gone.
That shit went right over us.
Dude, I saw it right down on the top of that tower right there, and I fucking slammed the whole door and got in the building.
Yeah, it was right before I went down the stairs. I saw shit just flying.
Oh my God, look at our cars. Look at that car. Is everyone okay?
I don't know.